Hey guys, so before I start the video, I just got to tell you that I linked some videos in the description of some awesome ringtones to use. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get custom ringtones on iPhone. Let's begin. First, what you're going to want to do is open the YouTube app and find the song you want to use. In this video, I'm going to be using a song called Simply Note. Now, click the share button and click copy link. Next, what you'll want to do is open Safari and type in YouTube to MP3 converter. Next, click the first link. It should have a blue cloud with an arrow. All you need to do now is paste your link and press convert. This can take a long time, so I sped it up a little. Once you're here, click download. If it takes you to another page, click the button in the bottom right and click your previous page. Click download, and if the little down arrow in the top right appears, everything's going well. To make sure everything's going right, click the little arrow, and if it shows the name of your song there, everything's going right. If you want to use the audio from a video in your photo album, you can search up video to MP3, click one of the links, and put your video in here. Next, open GarageBand and click the little arrow in the top right of the screen. GarageBand should be auto-installed on all iOS devices. Scroll over and click Audio Recorder. Click the lines in the top left of the screen. Click the little loop-de-loop in the top right of the screen. Click Files and click Browse Items from the Files app. Once you do that, find the song you want and tap it. Once you do that, it should send you back here and the song should appear. Now, drag the song into the timeline. To stop the clicking, click the metronome icon. If your whole song doesn't fit in the timeline, click the plus arrow and then adjust the amount of bars. If your song gets repeated, click it and delete it. You can tell if it gets repeated if the rest of the song is gray. Drag your song back in and you almost have your ringtone. If you want your song to begin on the bass drop or the epic part of the song, you can adjust your clip just like you do in video editing. And voila, you have your ringtone. Now you need to export your ringtone. Click the arrow, click My Songs, and hold down on your song. Click Share and click Ringtone. If this pops up, just click Continue. Last, name your song, click Export, and click OK. To use your ringtone, open Settings, click Sounds and Haptics, click Ringtone, and you should see your ringtone. If you want, you can use this same technique with text tones too. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Bye!